to start a successful Instagram account. 1. Download and install the Instagram app. 2. Sign up for an Instagram account. And choose a username that clearly represents your business, like your business name. 3. Add a profile photo, a biography, and a link to your website. 4. Switch from a personal account to a business account. 5. Pick a category that best describes your business, then select business. 6. Complete your profile by adding important information like an address, description, open hours, etc. 7. Post some content. 8. Link your business Facebook page. 9. Start following people. In summary, to create an Instagram business account, you need to download and install the Instagram app. Sign up for an Instagram account and choose a username that clearly represents your business.